Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know I posted a teaser about 2 weeks ago stating that I had a very big mod coming for my 19 RT charger, and I finally got that installed. After a lot of searching, finally found a way to get it done. So to let you know what I did, I added Corsa LongtubeHeaders with catless mids, and if you remember what I had previously, I did a resonator delete and swapped the factory mufflers for BlackWidowExhaust. So without further ado, let's get that first start. Now that sounds nice. Okay, we'll go ahead and take this thing for a ride. Let you see what the cabin noise sounds like and give you a better idea of what you'll be getting into if you decide to go with a similar setup. So for anybody that's ever done headers on a vehicle without doing a tune, your remote start only lasts for about 10 to 15 seconds. That's why it cut off on me automatically, as you see. So, let's start from the inside. Here's what the cabin noise sounds like on the inside. And as you can see, sport mode is not on. I'll go ahead and engage that now before we go for the ride. There you go. Go ahead and roll the windows down. Let's just see what it sounds like riding around. And let's head out. So I can definitely say that the long tubes and catless mids definitely woke this car up, guys. It is so loud now compared to how it was previously set up. And what's crazy is if you've been on this channel for a while or seen any of my other videos, whew, love that. So if you've seen any of my other videos, you know I also have a 19 Ram that has long tube headers, but I have catted mids and a Borla attack catback on it. It's loud. Like if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, the truck is like a 9 out of 10. This car is like a 13 out of 10. It is screaming loud. So I'm just doing a ride through town. I'm not really going to take her out on the highway today, just because there's a lot of traffic in my area, because I live in a very heavy area with tourism, and people drive like idiots around here. So as you can tell by how loud this is, I haven't went above 25 yet. I'm just driving through town where I live. The closest I can get on anything good is I will turn down this side street here. It's like 35 through here. So I can get a little bit of a rush, but nothing big. Yeah. So definitely loving the mod I've done with adding these long tubes and the catless mids. So I got these catless mids from Corsa and long tubes from a buyer on one of the Facebook pages. He does good work. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I put a link for his store online. Definitely look him up. Got a really good deal on these, and if anybody knows performance parts, Corsa's name and rep speaks for itself, and I am more than happy. A lot happier with these compared to what I dealt with Stainless Works and them not test fitting their products, and just literally kind of stuck holding the bag a little bit on the upgrade I did on the Ram several months back. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this short. Y'all don't need to hear me talk for 10 or 15 minutes. Y'all tuned in to hear this car, and I don't blame you. That's why I'm here too. So we'll go ahead and shut this bad boy off. If you have not already, please like and subscribe to the channel. Drop any comments below. I will do my best to answer any questions you may have. Please give the channel some love, and once again, thanks for checking out my video.